So tell us a little bit, what procedure did you have?
A hip replacement.
You had a hip, and how long ago did you have the hip replacement?
2 weeks.
Okay, and how's your pain at this point?
0.
No pain.
No pain.
That's amazing.
It is.
Were you surprised by your recovery, or is this what you were kind of expecting?
Good. Everything.
Everything was good.
Everything.
Perfect.
Yeah.
But were you surprised at how quick you got?
Oh, yeah. I was surprised how quick I recovered.
Yeah, walking, moving, right?
Daughter came in the bedroom that night and boom, I was sitting up in bed saying hi.
How many days did you need pain medicine for?
None.
Is that true?
That's true.
No,
That's
I
awesome.
took my Tylenol.
Just Tylenol. That's
Tylenol.
beautiful. All right, let me have you stand up, and we're just going to have you walk out in the hallway a little bit.
Okay.
Okay? Go ahead.
There she goes.
There
I'm
she
on my
goes.
way.
She
That's
can.
great. And she's dancing.
On my way.
All right, and spin around, come back to me. You look great. Yeah, that's the move.